Good morning, folks. It's 2 days after an unprecedented second major winter storm has hit our area. As you can see, there's some pretty huge drifts. Just look at the size of these things. This is my street, and look how far it comes up. You can't even see the sidewalk. You can't even see nothing. This is unbelievable. And then, just to add insult to injury, we got another winter storm coming in. It's going to add on to our 19.7 inches that we got. And the current thinking that I got, based from 6ABC, is that we would pick up about 6 to 12 inches. And at the higher amounts would be well to the north in places like, say, Trenton, New York City, that sort of thing. And then, of course, as you can see, the roads are pretty good, but in some areas, this is your problem. This is slush, but as you can see, much of this, even though I break most of it up with my foot, is frozen solid. So anything that melts over these next couple of weeks or so, cold temperatures, are going to turn to this. So give yourself plenty of extra time if you're driving. Also, I do have one recommendation for you if you are going to a friend's house for sledding in these next few weeks. I would suggest that you either have your mom or dad drive you over to where you're going. You choose an area that's not that far from your home, or you wait for somebody to pick you up so you can drive over. Because some of these roads, like I said, are still a bit slippery because of black ice. If you've ever heard of the term, you know how the asphalt here is all black and stuff? Well, when you come across black ice, you don't know if it's water or not, because you would think it's still some more melting going on. But what you don't realize is that water froze during the night, and you can't see it. Still, this is an incredible winter storm, and I have never been more busier than that day when it comes to the weather. But please stay tuned to my Facebook page for all the latest updates with our next nor'easter.